General aviation flying doesn't exist in Korea.
This has got to be hard, isn't it?
Turn this way. I'm going to come over to your side and put some tie down. Here at the HaeWoon building in Yongin, South Korea. Part of this journey into getting my Korean pilot's license has gotten me to introduce to the Korean AOPA president. He's taken an interest in my project, not only in getting my Korean private pilot license, but also in this Cheetah project. You can actually see it actually parked in his parking garage over there. I'll be taking the engine off pretty soon and taking it down to the workshop that he's given me. He gave me free reign of the use of his basement in this building. He even gave me a key card to get into his building. And it's really nice workspace, actually. I came in today to get a deep cleaning of it. I needed to rearrange some of the lighting in the basement here because the lighting was kind of spotty, so I consolidated all of the working fluorescent lights down here and made it quite a bit brighter than it was before. I started sweeping and mopping the floor. The use of this space has been absent for quite some time. As you can see, I've got quite a lot of room and a few workbenches here. I'm going to end up putting the engine up on this table here to pull it apart and do a full IRAN inspection on it.